Sorry guys, welcome back to My Trading Mindset. I am jumping on today. It is pretty late, but I'm gonna see if I can get a couple trades in before the end of the day. So, alright, let's see. Alright. This is I need to stay above this 1.3043 right here. That's my candle, it just needs to stay above it. So I got one contract. Alright, I'm gonna mute real quick. I'll be right back. See if I'm gonna have to scalp out, but nah, I think I'll be fine. Yeah, I think I'll be fine on this one. Got a minute left, or 58 seconds left on this trade. I'm just gonna, I'm gonna exit out. I'm already in profit above that mark. Fifteen seconds. All right. Great trade. Awesome. All right, guys. Think I'm jumping this same candle. This is just that next candle from the one I just took. I'm gonna see if I can jump in real quick. Alright, I think I'm gonna change it to let's see if I can get into it at $59 per contract. Alright, it went through. That's the candle I just took the trade on, and now this is the second candle. Let's see if it closes above that yellow line. My indicators are showing that it's going to close above that line, but that's it here. We got a minute and 1 second left. Already in profit. Alright, it's going up in the positive. 26 seconds left. Remember guys, I teach my style of trading, so if you guys want to trade like me, go to mytradingmindset.com. 3 seconds. And we have another winner. Just close above that yellow line, and my count is at 161.25. Alright guys, let me see if I can jump in another trade here pretty soon. Alright guys, this is the next candle. We're already 2 minutes in. I'm trying to get into this trade real quick. See if I can stay above that same strike price. Alright, I got 2 contracts. Stay above that, because my indicators are showing a great resistance right there. So let's see how well it does. $2 9 seconds left. Remember guys, I teach my style of trading on mytradingmindset.com. If you guys want to trade like me, just go see my website, and they got a couple packages there that you might like, so feel free to head that way. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. That way you get my content as soon as I post it. $45 seconds left, and it is well in profit. So that's the 3rd trade of the day. This candle here, that's the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd candle that I took the trade on today. Staying above this strike price right here. Seconds. The candle's way above that, so far so good. And another winner. Alright, so today I made, let's see, it's taking a while. Alright, I made about $110 today on all my trades, so there you go. 210.25 is my current account value. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.